Hi YouTube, welcome to my another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to install the genuine Honda wind deflector, the rain guard. You can say it like a rain deflector, wind deflector. Is go on the side on the window. There it is. You can see it. I just got it from the original Honda dealer. It's a genuine Honda. It's come with like this big also they don't provide any what is it called, yeah, they don't provide any instruction manual. You have to order those um, when I get it from the dealer. You have to ask the person like, can I get the instruction manual? They're gonna print it out for you. That's what they did. And here's the product number. You can see 08R04-T2A-100. That's for 2016 to 2017 Honda Accord. And without further ado, let's get to it. Here you can see and here's the clip. It's really important to keep it safe. Like there's the two clips for the B. These I don't know, instruction says this is the B pillar, and this all 8 is a pillar. And there's a clip is go after the installation. It's gonna go on the top. Okay, and here's so. Oh wow, doesn't say anything which one is what. I think I have to figure it out by opening. Yeah, they mark with the blue. You can see right there the blue tape, and this is with the green tape. I don't know which one is what. It doesn't have any kind of instruction. Okay, let's open it. RR is a rear right. You can see, and also you can see it says the Honda manufacturer. That's the part number, I believe, which is the OEM one. See? Okay, there's the rear right. Okay, I want to install the driver's side, then I want to do the other one. So let's put it back into the thing. So I believe the green means the right side, and the blue I believe is for left side. This is the driver's side, and see, this is a really nice chrome, and it's not shiny because it's the plastic on the top. So basically you have to do it like this. This is the pillar A. To get it in, you have to pull down the whole rubber. Let's see, you have to pull it down. You don't need any screwdriver or anything. Just grab it. It's pretty steady. You can see it's like that. It's come out. You have to just put in under it right here, and just put it back up like this, and then you can slide anywhere you want to take it. It's really easy. Let's put the other one. Yeah, as you can see right now, I already installed. It's really easy. It looked like really difficult with the manual right there. Really hard, but once you understand how it goes, you can see there's a clip right here, and just go pushing back in with the clip right here. 1 2 3. And this one is a little tricky. It's not tricky, but if you want to understand how it goes, It goes right under there. You see the white. This is the ES model, that's why it's painted white. But if you have Sports or Alex, it's gonna be black. This trim, the plastic trim, is go under the plastic trim. That clip only. This is a pillar B clip actually, and this is the pillar A. Let me show you. It's really hard to focus. Okay, this is the pillar A right here, and pillar B is gonna be all the way right there. Okay. And yeah, basically just put it in and take the tape off as normal. It's done. It's really nice and it's flash. You can see right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the passenger on the rear side. Just have to lift it up this part. So this is the trim, right? This is the trim right here, and that's the rubber. But under there's a 2 layer, 1, 2. So you have to take it off. This one, number 2. So to take it off from the bottom, right here from the bottom, yeah, just lift it down. See, it's coming off. It's right there. And once it's come off like this, just slide the pin. So let me show you how to slide it in. Okay, here's the pin. It's gonna go this way. This the whole part is gonna go towards you, and the like kind of too tight, gonna go inside the rubber. So it's really hard to do it in one hand because my tripod is not that big enough to show really close. So you can get the idea what it's like. It's gonna be. It's gonna go right between there. Once you pull off, it's not really there. But once you pull off this one, let me try to show. It's a before. Hold on. The same way, you're gonna pull out like this. It's really hard. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, you just put it under there. Hold on, let me put it in. As you can see, it's right go under there. You just let it go. It's gonna stuck by itself. It's really easy. Now you can slide it anywhere you want. So let's see what the instruction says. The instruction says that's the I just done the driver's side, and okay, this one is done. We don't need that. You can get it from the dealer. The same instruction. Yeah, that's the for the rear door. You can see the bracket A. Both the bracket A goes like right there. So one is right here, one is probably right there, and that's it. It just you have to clean with alcohol. Like if you have alcohol patch or something, or rubbing alcohol, you just clean it. I already cleaned it, so I'm gonna clean one more time just to make sure. So, and one more important thing to say is they are fully lowered the left rear window, which is like you can see is totally lowered, and just easy. Like when you lower the window, put the clip back in. I have one more clip right there, so it's gonna go right there, and put the align the rain guard, and then peel off the what's it called, the tape. That's it. We're good to go. Okay, here you can see it's already installed. It took me like around what 5 to 6 minutes to fight with it, but I can say it's easy, not as bad as I thought. To line wise, you don't have to line up anything because the clip does it itself. This little clip right here, like once you put it in the perfect place, that's it. It's lined by itself. But you can see how it's matched. But yeah, you do have to line up over here to flush with the door edge. But it came out pretty nice. You can see it's look good. Really does match with my rear spoiler HIC, but yeah, I'm gonna install the other two windows. It's not done yet. Then we'll come back to it. Okay, here's the final product after install. Really nice, flash. Sorry. So it look good. It's gonna kind of pricey, but it's really added really look to it. Really look nice. And by the way, it's cost me around like what, 3,000. I'm sorry, my bad. 350 cents. You see right here. If you want to see the receipt for Honda, that's the visor. Total 350 cents. It's kind of costly, yeah, it is, but I definitely like it though. It's really nice. This came out really perfect from far. This look really sick. No lies, really look sick. This came out really perfect. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.